What's up, y'all? Know it's your boy Shot City, man. Yeah, now a lot of y'all, you know what I'm saying, you know I put you onto the whip game, put you onto a lot of things about the car game. You got any questions, holla at me. Right now, you know what I'm saying, you in a nigga's kitchen. Hold on, just for the moment of silence for the brand new Italian tire. Yeah, they just put this down last night. Isn't this shit cool as hell, man? Pure Italian. Alright, fuck that shit. Anyway, okay, alright. So, I was at my nigga's crib, okay? And I was trying to tell the nigga if he could just do small things to his shit, like his kitchen and his bathroom, he'll have women everywhere, dropping vagina panties all over the place. You know what I'm saying? He thought I was bullshitting. So I said, look, I'm gonna do a video of just something small like my refrigerator, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna show you that I'm real with the shit. Alright, hold on, one more thing. Y'all see this shit? It's a chrome garbage can. I ain't never seen no chrome garbage can. The shit's from Egypt and it flips over like